Allie from Allie Scraps. I wanted to pop in here really quickly and tell you about the 7-day prayer challenge that I have starting May 6th. It's a totally free challenge. Every day for 7 days you will get emails with a prompt and a freebie printable. The printables have tabs and bookmarks and prompts, and it's so much fun. I cannot wait for you to see them, but I'm kind of keeping that a secret until May 6th. Be sure to sign up at the link down below and subscribe to this channel for all of the videos that you will get every day of the prayer challenge. I cannot wait to have you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.